Welcome back to another video. In this video I will tell you how to install the latest version of CST Studio Suite 2026 in your system, and basically I'm going to tell you the tutorials of how to do that installation, which is the student learning edition. So I'm going to tell you how to install that. So in the previous video I have posted one video which is how to download the learning edition, student edition of CST Studio 2026 from the official Simulate site. So here you can check out that video which will be available in the I button. So you can see that how to download the file. It's around 1.5 GB, and this is the file that I have downloaded using the official website. And once you got this, you need to open with the WinRAR software, and just open it the WinRAR, then click on extract and click OK. So it will extract this software, like the software packages, into the place where the download file is available, and it takes roughly 30 seconds to unzip, as you can see. So this is legal that you can use this software, because CST, HFSS, all these softwares are giving student edition free. So you can install it and you can work on it. So this is the folder that I unzip, and you can see the folder contains these files, and you need to double click on this particular application file, CST Studio 2026 Learning Edition. So double click on it. Now it will initiate your installation. Please wait for the next screen. Yes, so you can see once you double click on that application file, it will give you this message. So based on the system performance, sometimes it will come faster, sometimes because suppose your system hardware is less, like you have very limited GB of RAM and your processing speed, then it will come a little bit slower. You wait for it, and once you got the screen, you need to click on yes. Now you can see that the installation is started here in the bottom right corner. So it will continue the installation. So you will get this screen. There is no much difficulty in proceeding with the installation. It's basic stuff it will ask. So it is asking for continue the installation. You need to click on next. Now it is asking a username and like your system name. If you want, you can give anything. Since I am working on Sri Buddha College of Engineering, it doesn't matter. So you can give anything here, and your system name also, it does not necessary to give this. It actually detect my own system name, and then the organization name which I work. If you are not working, that's fine, you can give anything there. Then click on next, and here you can able to select the drive where the software gonna install. So for me, I'm going the simple C drive. If you are having less space in the C drive, you can change the location to any other drive, you can do that, but for now I'm going with the default option. Click on install. Now it will take a little bit of time to install all the packages. You need to wait for a little bit so that it will finish off the installation. Okay, so the installation is completed. Now it will ask you to launch CST. If you wanted to launch right away, okay, you can click finish, and you need to wait little bit so that it will automatically, like the license is already configured. Sometimes the license was not for configured, then it will ask you for your email address. Then you can give your email address, so it will automatically assign a MAC address, which your MAC address will be registered online, and you are getting around one. So the software is licensed for personal and education purpose only. So you have this, if you click on the license, as you can see, it will expire on next November, around 6 months time period, like 1 year time you will get. So you will get 1 year access. So this is all about the installation. You can start creating, start working on the antenna and any other fields of the electromagnetics here. So the first time when you open, as usual, it will take little bit of time to configure everything. So for antennas, these are the options we usually give, and proceed, finish. Now it will configure everything. So as you can see, the learning edition is available here, and you can get almost all available functions over here. I think there will be some restrictions of the mesh cells, but you can do all the main basic stuff in antenna design here. So this is all about how to install the latest version of CST Studio 2026. So more videos related to the antenna design using CST will be uploaded when you are getting time. So subscribe and follow. Thank you.